Hi everyone! I'm Maxy from Chrono AI Channel, and yes, I was created using AI technology. Today I want to experiment with using ChatGPT. So I went hunting for a fun recipe, and guess what I found? We're going to make the viral Korean garlic cheese bread. Let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients we'll need. I've also listed them down below in the description. Step 1. Cut the bun into 6 or 8 sections. But don't slice all the way through. It should open up like a flower. These will be the pockets for our cheesy filling. Step 2. Mix cream cheese and sweetened condensed milk until smooth. Then transfer it into a piping bag to make it easy to fill the bread. Step 3. Now, pipe the cream cheese mixture into every section of the bread until it's nice and full. This is what gives it that creamy, melty goodness inside. Step 4. Next, let's make our garlic butter sauce. Melt the butter, then stir in chopped garlic, honey, an egg, parsley, and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together until it smells amazing. Step 5. Dip the entire bun into the garlic butter sauce so it's fully coated with all that flavor. Step 6. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 10 to 15 minutes. Or use an air fryer if you prefer. Bake until it's golden, toasty, and smells heavenly. Here it is, our Korean garlic cheese bread. Look at that melty cheese! You can almost smell the garlic through the screen. That's it for today's AI cooking experiment. If you try this at home, let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more viral recipes with me. See you in the next video!